Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating the essentials. Check Rpcs3 version and that PS3 firmware is correctly installed. Once done, confirm the game files names and checksums match the expected dump so verification can proceed. Next, run Rpcs3 as administrator to avoid permission blocks. Make sure overlays and antivirus real-time scanning are paused so files aren't locked. These immediate actions remove the most common blockers and let you move into targeted verification fixes without waste. Now you troubleshoot the verification failure itself. You should inspect and replace any corrupted license files like RAP or RIF and confirm param. SFO values match the game ID. Once replaced, re-import the title using file add games so Rpcs3 recalculates metadata. While doing this, monitor the dev host logs and system console to read exact error codes and file paths. This tells you whether it's a checksum mismatch, missing keys, or a path permission problem, so you can apply the correct targeted fix. To finish, clear Rpcs3 cache and delete temporary folders, then restart the emulator to let it rebuild fresh metadata. Next, use tools to rebuild or manage installed titles so verification runs again from a clean state. Make sure configuration and firmware remain unchanged during this step. If verification still fails, redump the game from your original PS3 and reacquire the correct keys. That usually resolves checksum or missing license issues. Troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, copy the exact console log line and search for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.